In front of me is POCO F7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then hold it. Click on this icon between two rectangles and a gear. Hit next in the pop-up, then start in the other one and enjoy using your app in this little window. To move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. You can also tap on Home button, hold this tiny window and swipe it to the side to turn it into a bubble. Then drag your bubble inwards to open in floating window. And click on this tiny one. If you want to use more options of your floating window, click on those three dots at the top and operate all of those. To close it, swipe it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!